This is WKAT's weatherman checking in. We're at -6 right now with wind chill. Real temperature is -2. So hopefully it doesn't drop much lower, but it still has potential to go down to about -12, which just means everything's freezing up almost instantly. By the time we make one round of water, it's time to do them again. So everybody be safe, and then hopefully by about 10 a.m. when the sun's up, it's supposed to feel hopefully between 2 and 6 degrees, and then possibly rise up to maybe even 30, 31, 32. So everybody be safe, and signing off. Bye.
Fluffer butter. There you are, been cozying up with the sheep in the barn?
I don't want to see, speak, or hear anything about any more snow or cold weather.
Crybaby is enjoying the sunshine. I'm out in the cold and ice, and Sheba gets her own personal island. Doesn't seem fair.
Hey, donkey.
You can hear in the background somebody's excited, but carrying bags of feed takes a little bit longer when you're walking through this stuff. It's not giving it all. So you got to hang on and have patience, Mr. Donkey. We are coming. Everybody stay safe.
Are y'all happy, piggies? Are y'all so warm and toasty and snuggled up together? Piggy.
Say you such a good kitty. Say he's kitty. Say what do you think about all this snow and ice? Say he's such a good kitty. Say we love kitties. He's a good kitty. 50 gallons of water, 400 pounds. You got to drain it and then break the ice up. This is crazy weather for Virginia.
Uh-oh! That's the end of that ice pick! If anybody has one in their tool shed they're not using, we sure would appreciate you donating it!
What do you think, Frenchie? What do you think about all this snow? Say, little Frenchie. Say he's a good rooster. Say he's a pretty rooster. He's Frenchie.
A wish was answered for myself today. With all the bad weather and storms and everything like that, I haven't really had time to be home and do a lot. So today's the first time since Friday I got to see my daughter, but she left me a smiley face, if you can see it. So wishes do come true, and she understands and knows I've got to be here to help take care of the animals, and this is part of Daddy's work, and she comes out and helps me a lot too, but she can't help with this weather. But just want to let everybody know that one of my wishes came true today. So thanks everybody, and hope everybody else's wishes come true as well. I really hate to see that go away, but we got about an hour and maybe 10 minutes of the sun left. And then we get back down to 0 and negative numbers again tonight. So hopefully everybody's doing good. Stay safe. After being outside all day in below freezing temperatures, coming inside in the hot, warm water to wash dishes is probably one of my happiest moments.
Rikki's Refuge, your favorite animal sanctuary, really needs your help today. We survive solely on donations from kind and generous individuals just like you. There is no government or big sponsorship money. None. Every penny comes from wonderful people who care about the animals that no one else would give a home to. All of our animals were rejected by adoption organizations. Nobody wanted them. They're older, handicapped, need constant medical care, or have habits that people don't appreciate. But here at Rikki's Refuge, we love every single one, and believe they have not only the right to life, but the right to be who they are. Please help us feed and care for them. Just $1 will care for one animal for a day. Please make a donation today. We are a 501c3 organization, and your donations are tax deductible. Thank you.